facing there in KZN. Let us listen to this audio here.
After isigameko sayizolo angifuna ukudlala ngawo amandla aphelile ngoba sohleze sifukuzela into engekho egcileni sohleze ngokuthi nginakile mina izolo Mangcobo ubungangitholi lapha hayi ukuthi bengikephi bengilapha ya la kugadwe khona la kunomonakalo khona la kuxoshwana khona kushawa abantu khona ngespray leadership yethu idlala ngathi nje ayikho le yanto bafethu abantu bawumkhonto manje so lokho ukuthi lo sithi sophusha ayikho into esoyiphusha ngoba ama comrades ethu esihamba nawo asebenzela umkhonto ayikho into esoyiphusha ayimla khathele shame guys.
To me